We invite you to embark on a virtual journey towards the future of clean energy, which is already a reality in our country. Fasten your seatbelts as the Janaúba Solar Complex by Elera Renewables is only a few seconds away, and we'll guide you through this experience. Let's explore it. We've arrived at the entrance of the plant to begin our tour. This is one of the largest solar complexes in Latin America. There are 20 parks with 2.5 million photovoltaic modules and 5,628 Huawei inverters spread across more than 11,000 square miles. To help you grasp the size of this area, we're talking about over 3,000 football fields. Well, with this structure, it is possible to generate more than 1.2 gigawatts of power, enough energy to power an entire city with almost 1.5 million homes. And at the heart of the operation is Huawei Fusion Solar, with solutions that have enabled the solar energy to become a reality. It all starts with modules that convert solar energy into 1,500 volts of direct current. And here begins the transformation provided by Huawei's innovative technology, which is a global leader in inverters. Huawei's inverters are largely responsible for converting this direct current into 800 volts of alternating current. Its technology includes multiple MPPTs that ensure optimum use of energy. In addition, it has high efficiency, low failure rate, and simplified O&M. One of the main advantages of Huawei's inverters is performing intelligent IV curve diagnosis to assess the health of strings and modules by Fusion Solar software. This is critical to ensure that everything is running smoothly and free of glitches. Amazing, isn't it? Then we have the transformer station, which transforms the 800 volts from the inverters into 34,500 volts. And here is Huawei Smart ACU, a technology unit with remote access that controls the communication from all inverters that are connected to the transformer station. In Janaúba, each smart logger serves 42 phase 1 inverters, while each inverter serves 9 to 10 strings. In phase 2, we have inverters that serve 14 to 15 strings. Can you imagine having that much control in a plant of this size without the intelligence provided by Smart ACU? It's also from the transformer station that comes out the cabling that transmits the energy to the substation, passing through the medium voltage cubicle of 34.5 kilovolts. The medium voltage cubicle is responsible for receiving all the energy from the transformer station, which means that all the interconnection from the parks ends up here by circuit. There are 3 circuits in each of the 50 megawatt park and 20 parks in total. We've arrived at the 500 kilovolt substation of the Janaúba complex. The 3 400 MVA transformers raise the voltage to 500 kilovolts. And the energy that is generated here goes through the transmission line to the Janaúba 3 substation, which is connected to the basic grid. We've arrived at the monitoring room. All parks are monitored here. In this room, they can directly monitor all the transformer station and over 5,628 Huawei inverters. All information is available on a single panel in real time. The Janaúba Solar Complex offers more than impressive numbers. It is the promise of a cleaner future, reducing the emission of 4.3 million tons of CO2 in the atmosphere. And Huawei is an active player by pursuing technologies that help build a zero-carbon economy. Janaúba Solar Complex and Huawei Fusion Solar, together, brightening the present and building the future. Clean and sustainable energy to supply and transform Brazil.